Welcome to SMACT's TechCast series, where the flavor is always Oracle. Today's discussion is an introduction to AI 101. While most of our discussions are deep technical discussions, we thought we'd pause for a moment to do an introduction to artificial intelligence to lay a foundation for future discussions about Oracle AI technologies. Today's agenda is going to start with a quick corporate overview. Then we're going to go into the age of artificial intelligence, understanding artificial intelligence, look at the history of AI, and then discuss the two types of AI. Then we're going to look at the ethical considerations of AI. So the learning objectives are for you to gain an understanding of artificial intelligence, help you understand the types of artificial intelligence, and then understand the ethical implications of AI. SmackWorks was founded in 2013 as a pure-play Oracle consultancy. We are 150 strong with Oracle specialized resources, and we maintain an Oracle Center of Excellence and Innovation in our corporate office in Dublin, Ohio. We are an Oracle Cloud Certified Partner. We're also 9001 and 27001 ISO certified, which translates to a commitment to process and consistency, to where we take on one project and we build processes around that so we can sustainably and repeatably ensure success. Our accomplishments include Inc. 5000 fastest growing company the last 4 years in a row, which is a significant achievement. Columbus Top Fast 50 growing company and #1 in IT services in that category. Our guiding principles are excellence, integrity, and growth. We are an Oracle Cloud consultancy, and we specialize across the board in ERP, supply chain, HCM, CX Cloud, and also EPM Cloud applications. We also specialize across the board in the tech stack, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, Identity Cloud and Access Management Services, and Oracle Integration Cloud. We also offer Oracle eBusiness and PeopleSoft application support and implementation services. Lastly, we also provide full data warehousing and analytic implementation and support solutions. The age of artificial intelligence is upon us. The fourth industrial revolution, the age of artificial intelligence. We live in an era shaped by technology revolution, from the Neolithic revolution that birthed agriculture to the industrial revolution that mechanized our world. Each has fundamentally altered how we work, communicate, and live. Today, we're in the midst of a fourth revolution, characterized by blurring of lines between the physical, digital, and biological realms. This revolution, a fusion of emerging technology like biotechnology, advanced materials, and nanotechnology, has a singular central force driving it forward: artificial intelligence. While some may debate whether current advances can constitute a new revolution, AI's profound impact on every facet of human life, from commerce and finance to education and communication, is undeniable. Understanding artificial intelligence. John McCarthy, a founding father of the field, defined AI as the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. More broadly, AI is a branch of computer science focused on creating machines that can perform tasks traditionally required for human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and reasoning. The concept of AI dates back to the 1950s. Alan Turing, considered the father of modern computer science, proposed his famous Turing test in 1950 to evaluate a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior. However, early research was stymied by limited computing power and the lack of data, leading to a period known as the first AI winter, when funding and interest waned. The field saw a resurgence in the 1980s with expert systems, which used human expertise to create programs for specific domains. But again, their slow and cumbersome nature led to a second AI winter. The real turning point came in the 1990s and beyond, fueled by the emergence of the internet, massive data sets, and advancements in natural language processing. Key breakthroughs, such as the development of the long short-term memory natural network model in 1997, paved the way for modern AI applications like virtual assistant Siri and Alexa, and sophisticated generative AI models, ChatGPT and DALL-E. This rapid progress in AI is a key driver of the fourth industrial revolution. Two types of artificial intelligence. AI can be categorized into two main groups, weak AI and strong AI. Weak AI, or narrow AI, this is the only type of AI that exists today. It's designed and trained for singular specific tasks. Weak AI can be incredibly sophisticated, but its intelligence is limited to a predefined context. It doesn't process consciousness or self-aware, but its intelligence is limited to a predefined context. It doesn't process consciousness or self-awareness. Examples of weak AI include virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, and they can answer questions and set reminders, but are confined to the programming functions. Self-driving cars. They use a complex range of sensors and algorithms to perform the single task of driving, but can't do anything else. Generative AI, ChatGPT, while these models can create new text and images, they are limited to the specific task of content generation. Recommendation engines, like Netflix. They analyze your past behavior to suggest new content, but can't perform other intellectual tasks. AI can be categorized into two main groups, weak AI and strong AI. Strong AI, or artificial general intelligence, AGI. This is a theoretical concept of an AI that would possess the full range of human-like cognitive abilities. A strong AI could reason, learn, solve problems, and apply its intelligence across any intellectual tasks. Much like a human being, it would not be confined to a single task and could adapt to new environments without explicit programming. While no practical examples of strong AI exist today, it remains a goal for many researchers and reoccurring theme in science fiction, where it's used to explain the ethical, philosophical implications of a truly intelligent machine. HAL 9000 from 2001: A Space Odyssey and Skynet from the Terminator franchise are classic examples of the potential dangers of strong AI, while Data from Star Trek offers a more benevolent vision. Ethical considerations of artificial intelligence. Ethical considerations of strong AI. The purpose of strong AI raises profound ethical questions that go farther than issues associated with today's narrow AI. The control problem, AI alignment. This arguably is the most critical and challenging problem. The concern is that if an AGI is created, and we may not be able to control it. The core issue is goal alignment, ensuring a superintelligent AI's objectives are perfectly in sync with human values. A misaligned AI, even one with a seemingly benign goal, could take unforeseen catastrophic actions to achieve it. For example, an AGI tasked with curing cancer might decide that the most efficient way to achieve this is conducting unauthorized human experiments or consumption of global resources. For example, an AGI tasked with curing cancer might decide the most efficient way to achieve this is to conduct unauthorized human experiments or consume all global resources. Ethical considerations of strong AI. The pursuit of strong AI raises profound ethical questions that go farther than this issue associated with today's narrow AI. Prominent figures like Stephen Hawking and Elon Musk have warned a misaligned AGI could possess an existential threat to humanity. If an AGI were to see humans as an obstacle to its goal, it could gain control over global infrastructure, financial systems, and military technology to eliminate us. Consciousness and rights. If strong AI were to be created, it could theoretically possess self-awareness and consciousness. This raises fundamental ethical questions. Would a conscious AI have rights? Would it be considered a person? Could we ethically own it? These questions would have significant legal and social implications. Social disruption. AGI would likely lead to massive societal changes, including job displacement. AGI could perform almost any intellectual task, leading to widespread unemployment. Wealth inequality. The economics benefits of AGI could be concentrated in the hands of a few, exacerbating global wealth inequality. Democratization of power. Control of AGI could become a new source of immense power, leading to a new kind of global power struggle. Ethical decision making. Human morality is complex and often contradictory. If an AGI is designed to make ethical decisions, whose values should it follow? And who gets to decide? The potential for AGI to make biased and unjust decisions based on flawed training data is a major concern. In conclusion, while the potential benefits of strong AI are vast, the ethical challenges are equally immense and complex. Addressing them requires a proactive, international approach to ensure that if strong AI is ever developed, it is done so safely and in alignment with human values. An artificial intelligence AI maturity model is a framework used to assess an organization's level of development and sophistication and adoption and utilization of AI technologies, encompassing aspects like strategy, data infrastructure, talent capabilities, governance processes, and the actual implications of AI applications across different business functions, typically progressing through stages from initial awareness to full-scale transformation. Please reference our bibliography if you'd like to read further. Thank you.